Yo, what's going on, y'all? Spirit Light Body, what it is, man. Okay, y'all. So you remember me telling you, right, that this type of technology, like when you really truly understand it, like you could have your own electric grid, you could power your own small town, your own city. It's all about scalability, guys. So understand, this is a 400 watt inverter. Like I was telling y'all, hooking a light up to it and stuff. You know what I'm saying? You run your phone, you run your lights or whatever, like on 400 watts. I also have a 1500 watt inverter. So that's what I'm saying, that I can power larger stuff too. And so at the end of the day, you see what I'm saying? Like how an electric grid will work is you would have the distribution center now. So you'll look here and say, oh, you got batteries under there, man, blah, blah, blah. You know what I'm saying? All right, 1841, Alexander Bain, hold us to one world, one hood. The Earth battery. Go research it. Alexander Bain, B-A-I-N-E, Earth battery. Like I was telling y'all, when you go to the pad mount transformers, now if you don't know what a pad mounted transformer is, that's the green box on the ground. Like I was telling y'all, where they was running the power from there to the house. Well, okay, comes to find out, it's a little more to it. So there's a line from that pad mount transformer that runs into what they call a substation. So imagine this is the main power source. And then it goes out from here, hypothetically, to a substation. Then from the substation, you got underground cables that lead all over the city and all over the grid, everything that's being powered. And so say your house is here, your green box is here. Well, this goes from here to here. So from the main power source to the substation, from the substation to the little green box, from the green box to your house. See what I'm saying? And then, of course, there's step-down transformers in between, like you got your poles and the lines and stuff above ground. So that's what I'm saying. Like when you understand how this stuff works, you see what I'm saying? Like there's one transistor in here, guys. One transistor, right? Sitting right back there. Might be kind of hard to see because it's dark out. But one transistor, but you can hook up transistors in series. So when I hook up another transistor, that's another one of these being able to run. See what I'm saying? It's another whole set of power. So that's what I'm saying, understanding how the electric grid works. That's what I'm saying. Like, yeah, today, it's no reason to be blaming, the government or the white man or this man or that man or these people, whatever. Yeah, we know that there's conniving and conspiracy and things going on for real. I mean, hell, look at the news. Look at all that shit right now. So, I mean, that's clear to see. But I'm just saying, at the end of the day, this is the age of Aquarius. We got AI. Like I said, we got to start being responsible for ourselves and our future and our people, you know what I'm saying? And start getting our mind on how to develop our own systems. They can't turn this off. I made this. It ain't perfect. This is an infant stage in this project. You know what I'm saying? I don't have millions of dollars people funding to put into this, but I'm just saying, picture what we did if we start putting our resources together and start working together. See what I'm saying? Like going back to being autonomous, going back to being sovereign, y'all. That's what this mission, and that's why I spend time in here. You know what I'm saying? Time under the microscope. There's so many different things I do studying the ancient texts, like the Egyptian Book of the Dead, boy, that's only so deep. When you understand the mysteries and you understand what you're looking at, boy, and when you compare it to stuff like the Gita, you know what I'm saying, and things like that, and you can see everything holistically, like, y'all, I'm telling you, man, nothing but opportunities, y'all, for us to expand. Spirit Light Body over and out, y'all. Wholeness.